Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share these products with you today. And one of them is, well, actually two of them are extremely limited. Once they are gone forever. The first one I'm going to show you right away is the Smile Sealing Wax. Now, this is the last one we will be releasing. So get it quickly before it's gone. It's on an amazing price the first 24 hours. It comes with a peach colored handle and it's the word smile with a big circle around it. It is so cute. And I have a product that's going to go with all of our sealing wax, so stay tuned. Now, the other item that is extremely limited, a lot of you already got and already have in your hands the Holiday Vibes paper collection. Well, it sold out like extremely quickly, and we did have a couple, I think we have like a case or two left of the pattern paper. So we wanted to bring it out ASAP so you could get it and start using it this winter season. So it does have the cute little Santa and the little polar bear and the fun present, but it also has everyday colors as well. It has a fun Christmas tree, but look at how awesome. Oh, and some cutout sheets if you want to. Now this includes colors lipstick, which is a brand new color, lipstick, guava, ocean, peacock, mint chip, and sage. Once it's gone forever. So go get it quickly. Now, remember I said there's an item that coordinates with the ribbon, with the sealing wax? Kind of, but not really. Doesn't have to. This is some ribbon slides. There's 4 dies here. And what am I talking about? Well, this is so brand new. The team doesn't even have it yet. So I made up some fake samples. So what you're going to do is you are going to die cut them, and you can slide your seam binding or even your thinner ribbons on them. Look how cute that is. Now, you can do a lot of things to decorate this. Number one, you could do a sealing wax right on top and glue it on there. Here's another one. I also gave you 2 other dies so you could do the sealing wax, right? Then take that piece and put it on one of these and then put it on the ribbon slide. Lots of options, lots of ideas. Here's another cute idea, just taking a felt little heart and putting it on there. Just some fun little tidbits, right? And so there's 2 different ribbon slides on here, 2 different sizes, and also those 2 little almost flowers, but not quite. Okay, now we're also, if you are only in our stamp club or if only you purchase the stamp set for the all bundled up, now is your chance. We now have available the Die Hard dies that match. Now, we don't release these on the 1st of the month because we do release the stamps, but being in the Die Hard Club, you get these automatically. But if you're only in the stamp club, you can't buy these until the 20th of the month. So now you can get these. So if you don't want to wait anymore, which I can totally understand, who wants to wait, join the Die Hard Club. Then you're going to get the stamps and the dies in the same package, which makes it so much better. Now, last but not least is a die set that I have tried so hard to get on the release schedule. I finally was able to squeeze it into this day because, and I know it doesn't look like much here, stay tuned, but it's this cute little rounded frames and sending big hugs die set. Now, what does that mean? Let me show it to you. Here it is on a big tag, sending big hugs, and this cute little all the way around. Now, let me show it to you over here so you can see even better. You're going to get that cute little frame with extra hearts to add on top. So you're getting a whole bunch of added hearts on there and sending big hugs. Look how cute that is. Now, wait till you see this one. Look at how beautiful that is with our tree. That's our leaves and fall stamp set and die. Look at how beautiful that is. Sending big hugs. I love that. Now, here it is with our rounded frame. Look at how gorgeous that is. Remember, this one pops up. Like 98% of you already have this die. So now you're going to coordinate it with this die set. That's actually where it was born. This die set was born when I designed the rounded frame pop out like this, the frame part like this, and we just couldn't get on schedule. So now I'm finally getting it on the schedule. So now you're going to get out this die again. I even took this one out on HSN, but a 5x7 version. So you might have 2 different sizes that will fit perfectly with this cute little die set. Here's another one just to show you how sweet and how cute it is. And here's another one just using, oh, this one actually doesn't use that one. That's snuck in. Look at that. But those fun rounded arches are so awesome, aren't they? But it coordinates with those very, very well. Now, club members, you know the deal. You get 15 to 20% off my entire website every single time you order. Every single day, every single item, every single time, day, and item. Every single time. Now, the first 24 hours, a lot of products are on flash sale when they're brand new on our website. So go check out our website. If you're not in any of the clubs, did you know that you can join for as little as $13.99 a month? That includes a brand new stamp set each month. Photopolymer sent to you in the mail, $13.99, and then you get 15% off the entire website. You get a anniversary gift if you stay in a full year of $15 to our website. You earn club points. Every couple months we send out freebies. It's like we're paying you to be our friends. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch that video that explains all those awesome clubs that we have. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.